If you want to know how to cook corn on the cob perfectly, just keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. What we are doing today is something really simple and easy, but a lot of people struggle with getting their corn on the cob cooked just right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to, obviously you want to try to pick good ears of corn. These are alright. We got it from a stand-up town. You can take a paper towel and wipe the silks off after you have husked the corn.
I think you guys want to watch me do that, so it's pretty warm. Bad ends.
After you do that, I put water in a pot on the stove. We're going to bring it to a boil. And we're going to pop our corn in there. Our water is boiling. I'm going to put the half a dozen-ish ears of corn in. And then, so when you initially put the corn in, that is going to bring the temperature of the water down. So once it comes back up to a boil, you're going to time it for 15 minutes. So set that timer. Don't forget to set the timer. If you let it go too long, it's going to be overcooked and kind of like chewy. So once the corn is done boiling for 15 minutes, you're going to shut it off. You're going to get it immediately out of the water. Either put it in a bowl. I'm just going to take it out of the strainer and I'm going to set it in the sink for a couple minutes, and then I'm just going to throw, you know, people can throw whatever they want on it. Butter, salt, pepper, whatever you like. Alright guys, there you go. There's your boiled corn. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please comment down below. Let us know what you want us to make next. Brantley and I like to cook a lot together, so we can definitely drop some more cooking videos. We have some gardening videos, kids activities videos, challenges. So let us know what you want us to do next. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn the notifications on so the next time that we drop a video, you guys will be notified. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.